I thought I would not have any job after me completing my course. I thought I would face some difficulties, but with the training that we had, at least I got some ideas. Like I really learned how to open myself to other people. I never realized my goals in life, but at least I've learned my true goals in life. Thank you so much, Junior Achievements and AAH, for the information that you gave to us. I really appreciate. My dream is to be an executive chef.
Phoebe's parents died in a landslide in 2012. What I did as an auntie is to give anyone needs an opportunity, especially a girl child. She needed an opportunity to achieve and succeed, and I guess she's going to succeed. I want to raise my voice and thank so much Zurich Foundation that sent these great men and ladies to come to Bududa, to Arlington Academy of Hope, to provide for training. I am so grateful that this program is going to change the entire life of Phoebe. We are just going to work on her attitude and how to attack the world, to change her thinking so that she becomes creative. And we want to ask you that you come back again. This shouldn't be your first time, but thank you so much for coming to change the mindset of our children, especially in the rural setting, where culture has affected most of them and where poverty is at a high end. We hope this program changes Phoebe so that she can become a better person and also give a testimony and also support other people in the world tomorrow.